Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that help you leverage your time better and get things priced. I trust you had a terrific Thanksgiving with friends and family. Now that we've all had enough turkey, let's discuss the Add Copy and Copy Tasks features. I know you might be thinking, isn't that the same thing, Add Copy and Copy Task? The answer is no, they're different. But both of these nifty features can save you tons of time, so let's talk about them. First up, Add Copy. This ProPricer feature provides you a quick way to expand an old proposal or a current project. In order for us to see where this feature lives, we'll first create a copy of the working proposal. As mentioned in the previous episode of Triple T, the tail of the undo button. And if you're watching on YouTube, card here for it in the top right. Always remember to back up your work by creating a new version of your proposal. Alright, now that I have a new version of my proposal open, I'll right-click on any task, and within the menu, I will find the Add Copy feature, and it's usually floating near the top. I'll click on it. Now you can see a new task row has been created at the bottom, but it has the same name as the one we just right-clicked on. ProPricer doesn't like that, because the rule is that no two tasks can have the same name. Let's update the name. Alright, now Grumpy ProPricer is happy again. What else happened here? Well, the new task has the same estimates as the old one. That's because it's a clone of the old one. Why is this important? Well, if you're anything like me, you probably copy and paste a lot. Control-C, Control-V. And this is ProPricer's quickest copy feature. It's designed to allow you to make instant, quick changes to your proposal on the fly. Keeping this feature in your back pocket can help you eliminate wasted time when you're trying to create new tasks. Saving the best for last. Next, we have the very powerful Copy Task Data feature. As the name suggests, it copies tasks in your proposal, but it also gives the ability to move tasks from one proposal to another. This works with one or multiple tasks at the same time, unlike its counterpart, the Add Copy, which is only a one-off. For this example, let's up the ante here. I'll hold down the Control key on my keyboard and select a few different tasks by left-clicking on them. Okay, now right-clicking on any one of the selected tasks and clicking on Copy Task Data. As we can see, this is broken up into 4 sections: Proposal, Format, the Tasks, and Options. I'll select the old proposal here, which means these tasks will be moved to that proposal. The tasks will need to have new names because they were already existing in the old proposal we selected. I'll use the quick formatter to add a name change to all of them at once. See? Just like that. This quickly renames all the tasks. In the options provided, I'll pick what I want to copy over, and I want it all. So I'll keep them all checked. Now, process it. ProPricer will always give you this log report. I recommend you check it out. Logs are always useful. Why is this important? Copy Task Data should be your go-to feature for proposal expansions and merging. Having the ability to copy tasks from one proposal to another is extremely time-saving, and who doesn't need more time for other important projects? In review of the discussed topics today, I introduce you to your new best pricing friend. Besides me. Add Copy and his feature-packed stronger brother, Copy Task Data. Add Copy is a quick and useful way to duplicate tasks one at a time in your proposal, and Copy Task Data is the swiftest and most efficient way to move tasks between proposals. If this was awesome, get subscribed, hit that like button, and ding the notification bell on YouTube, so you don't miss any future episodes. If you have questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.